So we can break apart the hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your own customized filter pane in Power BI. Now, as you know, Power BI offers default filter pane that you can open and close. But what if you want to create a unique and customized filter pane that is tailored to your report consumers? Well, that's exactly what we are going to do today. For this tutorial, I'll be using the same file which we used in the previous videos to create a cumulative sales figures. If you want to follow along with me, feel free to open that file and use that, or you can use your own data set. The main goal is to have some data to work with while creating a filter pane. And as a bonus, I'll be sharing you a website where you can download the background images which are totally free to use. So let's see. First of all, I'll go to this view option and I'll change the theme. So I'll go here and I'll change the theme to, let's innovate, that looks some kind of black. Yeah, I'll go to this home option now, and here let's add some charts here. Let's go to this. Let's expand this visualization. Sorry, and let's add a donut chart here. Let's add total sales by category, and let's increase the size. Yeah, let's remove the legend. Yeah, this looks fine. Yeah, we need legend. Yeah, what I'll add the legend to the top left. Yes, yes, right. Let's add another chart that is a clustered bar chart. Let's add amount by the customer company, customer country. Yeah. And here you can see here we have zero is there. I'll remove this. I'll go to this filter option and I'll expand this and I'll select all and deselect this zero. It's yeah, yeah. Now let's create a customized filter pane. The first step is to add some shape here. So what I'll do, I'll go to this insert option and add a shape that is a rectangle shape. So so this looks fine. Yeah. Let's go to this format option and here we have style option. So let's change the style fill color to, let's say, this black 60% lighter, and let's increase the transparency to 26. Yeah, looks fine. And let's add some slicers to this shape. So I'll go to the slicer option and here let's add a date slicer, that is year slicer. Yeah, and let's add this to it here. Yeah, looks fine. What I'll do, I'll add another slicer that is let's say that is yeah, customer country. Yeah, customer country, and I'll go to this filter again. I'll select all and deselect zero. Yeah, yeah, looks fine. Now what I'll do, I'll add a button here. So let's go to this insert option again. Here we have button options. and let's add a left arrow button. So let's keep this here, and let's go to the general option, and let's increase the, let's say, height maybe 45, and width let's say 60, 45 by 60. And let's go to this button option, and here we have style option, and let's change the icon color to, let's say, white. And also let's turn this fill on, and let's change the color to black. Yeah, looks fine. Now what I'll do, I'll add another button, that is right arrow button. I'll do the same thing for this, that is properties. I'll go here, that is 45 by 60, and the style color was, let's change the color to white icon color, and the fill option, let's make this on, color was black. Yeah, looks fine. Now you can see here we have two buttons here. Let's place here. Yeah, great. Now I'll go to this view option, and I'll add bookmark selections here. Now what I'll do, I'll add a bookmark here. Let's click on add option here, and let's add another bookmark. Let's select first bookmark and rename this to, let's rename this to show filter pane. Show filter pane. And let's rename this bookmark to, let's say this is hide filter pane. Uh, what I'll do, I'll go to the selection option, and here you can see when I click on button here, button is highlighted, which is this button is points to this, and when I click on this slicer is points to this. Yeah. Now what I'll do, when someone is clicked on this option, this first button, then I like to show this, and I like to hide this. What I'll do, I'll go here. This is my first button, and I'll hide this, and this is my show filter pin. I'll click on this more option, and I'll update this. Simple. And I'll unhide this now. Now what I'll do, I'll hide all these options, this button, and sorry, this slicers and this slicer and this shape too. And what I'll do, I'll update to hide filter pin. Yes. Yeah. Now what I'll do, I'll keep this bookmark here, and I'll shrink this to, let's select this first button, and let's go to this format option, and I'll make the action on, and I'll change the type to bookmark, and I'll select the bookmark, that is when I clicked on this I like to show the filter pane. Yes. And you can add the tooltip too. Let's add this, let's say this is show filter pane. Show filter pane. Yes. So this looks fine, this text. So you can see when I hover here, you can see show filter pane says. So that is a tooltip. Now what I'll do, I'll uh, hold the control option and click on this. I can see filter pane is shown here, and I'll format this to, I'll make the action on, and I'll change the type to bookmark, and I'll change the bookmark, that is hide filter pane, and I'll say this is my hide filter pane. Yes. uh, let's go here, and when I clicked on this by holding the control option, you can see hide filter pane is working. Yeah, this button is working, and when I clicked on this, and let's add let's filter this. Let's say this is, I want to see 2019 to 2020 for the Austria and Italy. It's a yeah, let's say UK and USA, their sales figures, and you can see. And when I clicked on hide filter pane, I can see. So this is not filtered. Why it is so? Because these that filter, that button we added, that when I clicked on this, the bookmark option reset the things that we done, reset the filters that we done. So to tackle this, what I'll do, I'll expand the selection and bookmark option, and I'll go and I'll select this show filter pane, and I'll say more option, and I'll uncheck this data option, and I'll do the same for this hide filter pane also, and I'll uncheck this. Now let's close this selection bookmark option. Now let's select this show filter pane, and let's try to filter this. Let's say now this time USA, UK, Switzerland, and Spain sales. When I click on hide filter pane, you can see. So this data is filtered. It is not resetted. So that's it for this video. Yeah, we need to we are at the end of the bonus tip, that is how we can how we can download the background images which are totally free. So let's go to this browser. I'll go here. This is my site, that is UI gradient site. So I'll go there, and here you can download the this background images. And you can, when I clicked on this show gradients, you can see here this is some kind of rich background images. You can download this from this, and go to this and download, and I'll go to view option, and you can browse the theme that you have downloaded from. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed in this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.